If you window shop around Arcadia jewelry repair shops, you may notice a service called laser engraving. Engraving, also called etching, is a beautiful technique that adds timelessness and a touch of originality that burnishes something special. So, why you should laser engrave your jewelry? There are so many reasons that go beyond a decorative and exceptional appearance. These include versatility, selection, practicality, precision, and affordability that exceeds traditional methods, especially in how ecologically sound it is. Appearance. Having jewelry etched means you can leave messages for descendants yet to come on heirloom pieces, designate items to specific people, and add a deeper overall meaning to the piece for the recipient. You can add a date, an image, or letters to convey whatever it is you wish. To locate the nearest jewelry laser engraving service that's reputable, use your preferred browser to search for jewelry near me or jewelry repair around me. Affordability. Laser engraving is different from traditional methods. It involves a highly developed ablation process by removing the upper layers of the surface to create an incredibly accurate, balanced, and detailed image. Since this is a computerized process, there is a near endless selection of fonts, sizes, and designs. What's more, you can engrave almost any area, not just on the inside of a ring or the backside of a pendant, for example. You can engrave it onto the surface of cameos, certain gemstones, watch faces, or alongside the outer rim of bracelets, earrings, and so much more. Because the machines used to laser etch jewelry is so efficient, the price is hardly a factor. For example, our jewelry store in Arcadia offers engraving with purchase. Precision. This kind of technology allows highly skilled and talented jewelers to provide exquisite and stunning designs. It lasts longer than traditional engraving and is done on a wide range of metals and surfaces. Laser engraving jewelry is quick, simple, and doesn't damage other elements such as gemstones or watch faces. You can also get an exact duplication of it in the event you want to give multiple pieces of jewelry to commemorate an event, for example. The precision of the cut doesn't remove any material via an annealing process. This employs heat, which changes the color of the surface layer. This means the metal will still feel smooth even after the image is in place. Environmental. Plus, it's an environmentally and ecologically sound process. This type of etching doesn't require harsh chemicals or residues. The machines themselves use very little power, leave a small carbon footprint, and last for well over 35,000 hours. Conclusion. As you can see, there are many reasons why you should laser engrave your jewelry. But you want qualified and trusted jewelry stores to do it. Durano Jewelry in Arcadia can provide a beautiful laser engraved design that you love.